Let's talk about cheese slicer, butter knife cheese cutter kit 304 stainless steel cheese knives set with wires for birthday wedding cake cutter cheese slicer. Wire cutting cheese slicer boards. Stainless steel wire is strong and durable, easy to use and handle, offers a comfortable grip. Cheese gift is suitable for cutting cheese, butter, fruits, and vegetables. 304 durable stainless steel wire. Cheese slices can cut hard, semi-hard, and soft cheese. Butter cutter leaves you with a clean, straight slice every time, thick or thin. Non-slip rubber feet. Fruit cutters are featured on the base's bottom to minimize unwanted movement and slipping, while wedding cake cutter protecting your countertop from potential damage. Long-lasting use butter cutter includes 5 replacement wires. Cake cutters can be used to slice other items such as butter, fruits, or vegetables. Mini slicer sausage warranty. We promise a refund or replacement within 180 days. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to I was looking for an inexpensive cheese slicer and this one far exceeded my expectation. The price of this kit wasn't the most expensive, so I wasn't expecting much. Yes, there are some minor downsides, for instance, the small board area which I was expecting. However, I wasn't disappointed. It looks great, works very well on all types of cheeses, and as it's lightweight, so it stores very easily. Great product, I'm very thoroughly pleased. Second attempt. The packaging was damaged on arrival and the box looked like it had been crushed. The item itself had a large scratch across the surface and fingerprints all over it. To be honest, it looked like it had been opened and returned. However, I decided to keep the cheese slicer as I have been trying to source one for a while now. After a good wash, I used it for the first time over the weekend. No issues with its ability to do what it's meant to do, and that slice cheese thinly. Does not stay together. Unfortunately, you have to use to find out.